Replacing 2 split system heat pumps, 2.5. We have 2 groups over here. One of us doing the upstairs, the other one is doing the downstairs. So put all new plenum boxes. You know, just it's a simple replacement. Simple 14 series systems. The old system went out, so the customer decided to just go ahead and replace both systems, just to keep it the same way. New thermostats, new drain pins, reconnect everything back in place. This was not really bad. This has got plenty of space to walk all around the system, just pretty good. But no, I mean, you know, like we've been on really bad ones, but this one was pretty good. It was working together at the same time. From example, whenever we put 2 air handlers to the attic, they help us, we help them, so trying to work together at the same time.